The ongoing teacher-labor discourse was one of the key issues of Alberta Premier Danielle Smith's province-wide radio call-in show Saturday morning. When asked whether she feels the strike on Monday can be avoided, she said she has not heard of any such plans not to strike, while taking the opportunity to push back on the Alberta Teachers Association.
There's, I think, a disconnect between what the union leadership is putting on the table saying their members want, and then when they take it to their members, it gets voted down. So we've encouraged the ATA leadership to go back and find out what the real issues are.
Smith also describes the strike as a lose-lose-lose situation for parents, teachers, and students. The Premier was also asked if she's still planning on replacing federal firearms licensing with a new possessions of acquisitions license, but said it isn't a priority.
We did contemplate it. As I looked into it, it would cost a minimum of $20 million, very likely, and also take multiple years to be able to implement, which doesn't solve the immediate problem that we have, which is an amnesty that is coming up for expiry at the end of October.
And the Premier is defending Alberta's measles vaccination strategy after the province's ongoing outbreak became deadly this month, with Alberta's first measles death reported on Thursday.
Saw with all of our advertising a 52% year-over-year increase in the number of people getting vaccinated. So advertising works, the messaging works. It's an absolute tragedy when those things occur, which is why I think people need to assess their own level of risk and go to a public health clinic.
Smith noted that more vaccination advertising will be rolling out in the coming weeks. In Calgary, Amar Shah, City News.